Hello all. Today I have this Bosch Professional drill, GSR 18 volts minus 55 the model. This is a battery connector. I have this adapter that allows me to connect this Bosch to the Dewalt battery. And yeah, I have this Dewalt XR 5 amp hour with the marking DCB 184 model, as you can see. This is a Bosch battery, and yeah. Okay, now let's try how it goes with the volt. So it's working like on the original one, and you can easily take off this adapter and use the original one if you want to. Okay, thanks for watching. Any questions or anything, please put down in comments or contact me on the email. You can also find this adapter on my Etsy shop. If you don't have it listed down there, you can easily contact me for the custom order. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Bye.